Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing your OpenAI API key and placing it in script properties so it isn't exposed. Once done, open your Google Sheet and launch the app's script editor to write code. Make sure the project has URL fetch enabled and permissions to run on your account. This first step ties your sheet to the model. You are setting credentials, a container, and the minimal permissions so later calls succeed without repeated prompts. Next, write a clear app script function that builds the JSON payload. Include model name, prompt pulled from a cell, and max tokens. Then call URL fetch app. Fetch with authorization, bearer key and content type set to application/JSON. This sends the request. Once you receive the response, parse the JSON, extract the generated text, and write it back into target sheet cells. Make sure to handle rate limits and errors so repeated calls don't break your workflow. Finally, add a custom menu or assign a drawing slash button to run your function so you can trigger generation without opening the editor. Once done, optimize by batching prompts in arrays and writing back in bulk to reduce quota use and latency. If things go wrong, check the execution log for HTTP status codes, confirm script properties holds the correct key, and verify your API quota and billing. If a 429 or 401 appears, pause, adjust rate, and reauthorize as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.